Today we are going to learn about how to get a line parallel to a given line and knowing a point on that line. So this problem, I have a line, find the equation of a line parallel to y equals 2x minus 1 and passing through the point 1 and 8. So my line, the targeted line, passes by the point 1 and 8 and it's parallel to the line y equals 2x minus 1. As you know, if I have two parallel lines, they will have the same gradient. So parallel lines have same gradients and they have different y-intercepts, okay? So I will take from the given line, I will take the gradient of the line, which is the same gradient as my targeted line, and you replace it in the gradient place in the equation y equals 2x plus c. Of course, the y-intercept or the c will be different from the two lines. How to get the c from for the new line? Just substitute the points 1 and 8 because the point 1 and 8 lies on your line. So x is the 1 value and y is the 8. Replace x and y by the values 1 and 8 in the equation. So y is 8 equals to x multiplied by the gradient, which is 2 multiplied by 1, plus c. Then you can solve easily this equation to get the c. 8 will be equals to 2 plus c. c simply equals to 6. And then replace the 6 in its place in this equation as the c. And that's the equation, the targeted equation of your line. So simply, I have a line parallel to your targeted line. I take its gradient, replace it in my line as a gradient of my line because the two lines are parallel. Then I substitute by the point 1 and 8 in my line to get the c. When I get the c, I replace it in its place in the equation. Another example, it is the same, but the only difference is that I have the equation, it's not written in the y-intercept form, so it's better to rearrange it to be in the y-intercept form by moving the negative 5x to the right-hand side and the positive 4 to the right-hand side. Your equation will be y equals 5x minus 4, and that's the parallel line, it's not my line. Take care, I just need to take from this equation only the gradient and then replace it in my line. And then to get the c, I will substitute by the point 2 and 9, which is on my targeted line. Replace 2 and 9 in this equation. So 9 equals to, 9 is the y, equals to, substitute from here, y, 9 equals 5 multiplied by 2, the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point 2 and 9, plus c. And then you solve the equation, 9 equals 10 plus c. Move the 10 to the left-hand side, so c will be equals to negative 1. Then replace it in the place of the c of the y-intercept in the equation, and take care, when you write it y equals 5x minus 1. Don't write it y equals 5x plus negative 1. It's not wrong, but you write it this way because adding a negative is like subtracting a positive, but positive is the same, so write it y equals 5x minus 1. Thank you. I hope that you understand.